Shongdor nakaslem jong Mawsynram Hima.
U MLA kaseng Kongres na Mawsynram uba HM Shangpliang ha kasngi palay ule thu hapok kiyeng dorbar thawan baha kapor ka jingle niam 8 ha Bangladesh u Masi uba Shongdor arpho Hajar tengka ha Meghalaya ladi hadu silak tengka ha Bangladesh. Ya kani uba Shangpliang ula kren ha kapor beladon ka jinga kren halor kador jong kadok Masi bat kham tam ka jingkta jong ka anya da Masi balawan ra da ka sorkat Assam dangshen. Uba Shangpliang ulaya thu bahado menta kajing khayi masitu sha Bangladesh kajur bha bat ula panjing shai na kasorkar ayu kale ban khanglat ikibakum kini ki kambean habajubam u menteri ketanat ri jing ri uba san bor shulai ulai thu bakatanat kalade ban betha bandon kajing petngor bat jing khanra ka ba kham khlan hapdeng ki sipai BSF bat ki pulet ka jela khnang ban lap ikini ki kambean bat ban khanglat ikajing khayi masitu sha Bangladesh.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are all aware that even now, as we speak, there is a lot of cattle smuggling that is happening, sir. We may talk about the Assam Cattle Protection Bill, and we may talk about the other steps that the government is trying to take measures to ensure that there are enough cattle or bovines available for the table or for the dish in the form of a beef meat. But sir, sad to say that there is still a lot of cattle smuggling that is happening. Now sir, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister whether he is aware about the cattle smuggling that is going on to Bangladesh. We will all be astonished to know that, sir, during the Eid season in Bangladesh, one cow that cost 20,000 in Meghalaya costs 1 lakh in Bangladesh, sir. I'm not joking, sir, it's a fact. 1 lakh per cow in Bangladesh during the Eid season. Now, therefore, sir, why should all the cows remain in Meghalaya? All the cows are going towards Bangladesh. Is the government aware about it? And if the government is aware, what is the government doing to stop this cattle smuggling, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you for the concern of the Honourable Member for Mawsynram. Before I took over as the Minister of Veterinary, I heard about all these illegal activities. So that's why after taking over as the Minister, we had series of discussion and we have also instruct to strengthen and intensify the checking with cordial relationship or cordial working together between the authority of the BSF and the police authority of our state to check that henceforth this illegal activities for illegal transportation of cows to other foreign countries will not occur in future.
Our state, we know that beef is one of the staple food that each and every one of us we love to have. Certainly, we know that with the Assam Cattle Protection Bill 2021 in place, there will be a serious ramification within the consumer, within the state, especially for the traders, cattle traders and suppliers. Even before this act has been placed and acted, there are many instances happen in the border, be it in Jorobad, be it in Siang. Many cattle traders, they have been harassed. The irony is that even Assam police, they came to arrest from Meghalaya also. Those who have been entered, they have come, they have passed, they have documents and all. There are instances happen like this also. I want to know from the Honourable Minister, what steps to be taken prior to the implementation of this bill, at the same time later on also to facilitate the cattle traders and the supplier who supply within the state, apart from that letter written to the Assam government.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I have said earlier, that step has been taken by the department with the official of the police official of the Assam government and also the official of the veterinary department, government of Assam, and the matter will be looked into. And I also request all honorable concerned members, if they have any more suggestion on this vital issue, they can come personally, give me more suggestion. We sit and discuss together. Question number 124. A, yes sir. B, sir, no transit pass issued as on 992021 by the department for transportation of cattle in the state of Meghalaya. C, sir, as per the information received from the retail beef traders and consumers, the price of beef in the market has gone up. D, sir, there is no such proposal before the department as on date.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, who had made a reply. Sir, I would like to add more. In reply number E, yes, sir. So may I know what action the government will be taken?
During my reply to short motion discussion, I have replied that one of the immediate action, that is the DO letter which I have, as I have mentioned before, which I have duly discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We have floated DO letter to the Chief Minister of Assam, and the matter is under consideration.
Honorable Minister, can we get a clear clarification on that? Because every time, please don't mind, we have to speak the truth. Every time it's on the examination, on the process. So we just need to know from Honorable Minister, after he had been sending his DO letter. So can you give a specific?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'm replying the truth only based on this letter, which I have duly sent to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. It should be real truth. Yes, real truth.
Thank you. Because only truth can free us. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, may I add more? We can part supplementary with this with the principal question. Why I ask this question is that I have heard from many traders that the price of cattle are increased to fall after Assam bill. So how can we'll be sure that price if beef will not be inflated?
Mr. Speaker, sir, we have here the notification as per the Meghalaya State Agriculture, Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion and Facilitating Act 2020, where we have issued a notification, and very soon transit pass or permit will be issued to the local traders.
Sir, like what we are talking about the truth, it seems that the way Assam government passed this bill, it is very important for all Northeast state, as we know the fact that the high consumer of this very particular subject. So everybody knows the truth that our state has a high rate. So in this very particular question, may I know from the Honorable Minister, what are the incentive and promotional scheme of the government for rearing cow in the state. What are the incentive and promotional scheme of the government for rearing cow in the state?
Sir, like I have stated before during my reply in the short motion discussion, there are plenty of ongoing scheme also, and there are also many scheme also prepared by the department, which was lying in the consideration of the central government for promotion the local traders.
Just few more.
You have already crossed 5, but I will allow you one more, please.
Except one more.
One more, please.
Okay. May I know from the Honorable Minister the potential market of the cattle, both domestical and international, are great, since we know the fact. So the scope for started alight in the street, incidental to cow rearing, is also great. Because this also involved with policy. Policy matter is the origin in whatsoever we initiate ahead with any subject matter. Honorable Minister, please.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. The point has been noted. I'll have the matter looked into.
Speaker, sir, I must appreciate the action taken by the Honorable Minister in charge of veterinary relating to the Assam Cattle Protection Act 2021, or the Bill 2021. For an immediate reaction from the Meghalaya government towards Assam in this regard, we have been told in this House that a letter has been sent to the Assam government. May we know what are the main issues or the contents of this letter which was sent from Meghalaya to the Assam Chief Minister?
The content of the letter, I'll read it short, in brief, Mr. Speaker, sir. The local bovine animal traders are now unable to procure milch cows and other bovine animals for legitimate business purpose due to Section 7 within bracket 1, subsection 1 and 2, and Section 7 of the Assam Cattle Prevention Act 2021. A copy of the relevant provision is enclosed herewith for ready reference. Under Section 7 within bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021, no person shall transport or offer for transport or cause to be transported by any cattle without valid permit, and under Section 7 within bracket 7 of the same Act, the permit issued for subsection 1 within bracket 2 and 3 shall be in such form and in such manner and subject to payment of such fee as may be prescribed by the state government, whereas under Section 3 within bracket A of the same Act, state government means the government of Assam. A plain reading of Section 7 within bracket 1 and within bracket 7 and Section 3 within bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021 reveal that only the government of Assam is authorized to issue valid permit for transportation of cattle from any place of other state through Assam to any place outside the state of Assam. I take this opportunity to impress upon you your esteem self that the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Government of Meghalaya, is competent to issue valid permits to the legitimate bovine animals traders from Meghalaya state to procure bovine animals from any other state, including Assam, and transport through Assam for agriculture and other livestock business purposes. I request you, sir, kindly look into the critical legal provision as explained above, and issue necessary instruction to the concern to facilitate hassle-free transport of bovine animals through Assam by the Meghalaya bovine traders bringing bovine animals from outside Meghalaya.
I must thank the Honourable Minister for that letter. It has covered all the aspects as I had desired, sir. And thank you so much for writing such a detailed letter to the Assam government. Is there any response from the Assam government yet?
We are waiting for the response. If no, then along with the department, we will plan what is the further action.